Hello everyone, welcome back in today's class. Dear students, we have done exercise 7.2 and two questions of that exercise already we have done. We have to start with question number 3. Okay, let's start. Triangle AMP, that means this left hand side triangle is congruent to AMQ, that means this right hand side triangle, that means this triangle and this triangle are congruent. It is given in the question. Fine. Now they have given some steps. We have to write the reason. They are asking PM is equal to QM, PM is equal to QM. This small line shows that they are equal. Okay, this line is equal to this line. So what reason we will give? It is given in the question. We will write given. Okay, because already it is mentioned. PMA, this is the symbol of angle, student. So this if nothing is written, 2 points are there. This is the symbol of line segment. If this symbol is given, that means they are talking about angle. Okay, PMA. Where is my PMA? PMA. That means they are talking about this angle. PMA. M letter is in between, so they are talking about this angle. Is equal to QMA. QMA. That means they are talking about this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So it is also given in the question because this is congruent. So here also we will mention AM given. Now AM of this triangle, that means this straight line, is equal to AM of another side. This AM is common to both. So what reason we will give? It is common to both. Okay? Or we can simply mention common. Now they are asking triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Yes, both the triangles are congruent. We will write yes. Both the triangles are congruent, and they are asking by what condition why they are congruent. So here we have taken side, here we have taken angle, here we have taken side, then angle, then side. By which criteria they are equal? Side, angle, side criteria. This criteria you can use. Fine. They are asking for the criteria, the side, like which criteria we can use to make them congruent. Okay, let's move to question number 4 of the same exercise. Now ABC, triangle ABC, they did not give figure in this question. Angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle C is equal to 110. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 30, the angles are same. A equals to P, B equals to Q, C equals to R, and we have to use AAA criteria. We can this is a question of, okay, a student says triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA criteria. Is it justified? Why or why not? Okay, see, in this question the student says the triangle is congruent by AAA criteria. No, we cannot say because angles are mentioned. Let us take, this is my triangle ABC, and this is my triangle PQR, PQR. Angle A 30, angle P is also 30. Okay, same. Angle B 40, angle Q is also 40, both are same. Angle C 110, although this is not 110, the figure is not according to the angles, but you just it is an example, mere an example. Okay, this figure is congruent to this figure. So which criteria we can use instead? Okay, yes, which criteria we can use? This is angle, this is angle, this is angle. All the angles of this triangle ABC are corresponds to all the angle of triangle PQR. The student is quite right, because this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Which criteria? All the angles, all three angles of triangle ABC is equal to all the triangles of triangle PQR. So which criteria we have used? Which criteria the student have used here? The student has used the AAA criteria, that means angle, angle, angle. All the angles are given, so we will take angle, angle, angle criteria. So we will write yes, the student is justified. Why or why not? Because all the angles of triangle ABC are equal to all the angles of triangle PQR. You will mention here. Fine. Let's move further with question number 5. Question number 5. One triangle is given RAT. Another triangle is given. Another triangle RAT is given. They are asking this triangle and this triangle, if they are congruent, तो इस triangle को लिखने का तरीका. First of all, आर जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे वन एंगल इस तरीके से मेंशन है, तो सिंगल एंगल कहाँ पे मेंशन है वो डब्ल्यू पे है, तो पहले तो आप डब्ल्यू लिख लेंगे। इसको ये ना ट्रायंगल का नाम आपसे जानना चाह रहे हैं, दे आर जस्ट कन्फर्मिंग द एंगल कि आप लिखेंगे कैसे। इस ट्रायंगल का नाम एन ओ डब्ल्यू भी हो सकता है, इस ट्रायंगल का नाम डब्ल्यू ओ एन भी हो सकता है, इस ट्रायंगल का नाम ओ एन डब्ल्यू भी हो सकता है, यानी डब्ल्यू एन ओ भी हो सकता है ना। बट लिखने का तरीका देखिए, इसने पहले हमें आर बोला है, आर पे सिंगल एंगल बना हुआ था, ठीक है, आर लेटर पे सिंगल एंगल था। वी हैव टू सी द लेटर जहाँ पे सिंगल लेटर बना हुआ है, ठीक है, सिंगल एंगल बना हुआ है। तो हमारे पास वो सिंगल एंगल कहाँ पे बना हुआ था, डब्ल्यू का, तो आई हैव रिटन डब्ल्यू। नाउ लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट लेटर ए पे कितने लाइंस बनी हुई है एंगल की, 2 लाइंस, और 2 लाइंस देखो हमारे पास कहाँ पे बनी हुई है, ओ पे, तो बीच में कौन सा लेटर आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट, ओ विल कम। नाउ द थर्ड लेटर इज टी, एंड हाउ मेनी lines of angles are made on angle T? There are 3, and here 3 lines are made on angle N. So triangle RAT will be congruent to triangle WON. In this question they are just wanted to see whether the student know how to write the name of other triangles. Fine, this is the perfect way of writing. Just see the angles, one angle, two angle, 2 angle, 3 angles, 3 angles. So RAT is congruent to WN. Fine. I hope the part is clear for everyone. Let's see the next question of this exercise. BCA, that means this lower triangle is congruent to what they are asking. Okay, the same they just want to know which angle will be written, how can we mention the name of this triangle. Now see, angle B, 2 letters, then what is the name of that side triangle, B, again B will come because at the B only 2 angles are there. Then next C is there, okay, C they have given no angle has given, so instead of C what is our letter, we will write T, and they have written A, instead of letter A we have also A. So we will write triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BTA, B, T and A. This is the way how can we mention the name of the triangle. Same way QRS, this is Q, this triangle, and they just want to know how the student are writing the name of this triangle. Okay, here Q, and this also we will start with Q because Q is the part of that side triangle, and the next letter is R. Okay, the next letter is R, and how many angles are made, small 2 lines. See the small 2 lines on that side, who is that, that is P. And the next is S. What if it is S, it will be T that side. Fine, it will be just hold on, if it is it is Q of this triangle, single letter, so Q of this side and T of this side. I'm so sorry. सी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो क्वेश्चन में आपके पास यहाँ पे एक सिंगल लेटर बना हुआ है, यहाँ पे नहीं बना हुआ, दिस इज आई मेड, क्यू पे सिंगल लेटर बना हुआ है, इस साइड में सिंगल एंगल किस पे बना हुआ है, टी पे, तो क्यू के प्लेस पे तो कौन आएगा, टी आएगा। वहाँ पे डबल एंगल किस पे बने हुए हैं, आर पे, और यहाँ पे डबल एंगल किस पे बने हुए हैं, पी पे। फाइन, और नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल है, एस, और वहाँ पे हमारे पास कौन सा बच जाएगा जहाँ पे कोई भी एंगल नहीं दिया हुआ, दैट इज क्यू। तो टी पी क्यू नाम एक बार ध्यान से देखें, आई हैव डन मिस्टेक, सो यू प्लीज यू डू नॉट डू, जस्ट बी वेरी केयरफुली while writing the name of the triangle. Okay, by this question I hope the 1 to 3 4 5 6 all these questions are clear for everyone. Student, if you really like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.